What's up, people? Do you have this keyboard BSR 463? Then today I have secret bit that I want to show you. It sounds so amazing. So first of all, let me show you. Let me just brief you how I set my keyboard to when I want to play worship. So first of all, I start with the voice. I use grand piano, then dual voice. I use strings. So how to balance this? You use grand piano, main volume is 110, then dual volume you get it at 40. Now the dual volume you can release it up to 118 maximum, then the main volume you can release it up to 118, the maximum. Then there we go, you have now your beat. Okay, so now how to get this beat? It's just internal beat, you don't have to use the flash one. So what you do, make sure that your split point is 36 or it's flat, let me just say you. Then what to do, come to this nini out of here, this groove. Yes, for the groove weka kizungu ni ngumu, mtanielewa. Use 26. Yes, that is R and B SMT. That is it. So first of all, you have to set the tempo. Yeah, that's what we have. So for the first time you will hear this, but we don't want that music. So what we'll do is just disable track 6, track 5 and track 3. Get it clear. We disable track 3. To disable, you just press on it and you'll see on screen it has disabled. So track 3, track 5 and track 6. Okay, next, when you play your beat, it comes now playing. You can lower the tempo, you can place it at high, as long as you're playing worship, that it will be great. So this beat has four variations, whereby that is variation 1, and this is the kick. Track 1 is the kick, track 2 is the, I don't know how to call it, but that one, that's track 2. Then track 4 are the hats. Okay, now that's variation A. Now variation B sounds like this with the kick. That's variation B. Then variation C. Yes, then variation D. That's what this keyboard can do in worship. So let's start by this simple song out of here. That's variation A. Then you remove the kick. So let's begin. Okay, I forgot something. You see this voice, sometimes it does not sound any best. So what you do, you just use this knob out of here. This knob, just twist it a little bit. Then yeah, you'll have that. You can change the transpose if you want to, according to the singer. let's meet on our next video. And just a reminder, I'm here only for beginners. I'm not a pro, so I'll assist you on whatever you know on chords. Yeah, any chord. I use F sharp only. I don't know other chords. If you use F sharp, so I'm here for you. Yeah, and the video is there for beginners. Then you're good to go. God bless you, and subscribe.